Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becca and I upload weekly cooking and now cleaning videos to my channel. Today is Sunday after Thanksgiving and we have tons of leftovers in our fridge and it feels like it's just overflowing. So I'm just going to quickly go through everything, get rid of what we aren't going to eat, and try to make a little bit more room and just give everything a spot. First, I took out all of my produce. I'm going to make sure nothing has gone bad and reorganize it just a little better. Here's a little hack for you. If your lettuce goes bad quick, try wrapping it in a paper towel and placing it in a baggie unzipped in your fridge. I have found that this helps keep lettuce fresh for just a little bit longer. Since the goal is to make some more space in my fridge for all of the leftovers we still have, I'm going to break up my broccoli and place them in a large baggie. I wouldn't normally do this, but we just need more space in the fridge and the container I originally had my broccoli in is huge. Now I live with someone who doesn't eat fully plant-based like I do, so you may see some food in the fridge that is not fully vegan or plant-based. As you can see, I wasn't lying when I said we had a lot of leftovers. I'm not going to get rid of much, but I'm just trying to find some better places for them to go, since right now it just feels like they were all thrown in. You'll quickly see my cilantro and parsley I'm putting in the fridge. I put them in a jar with about a half a cup of water and place a baggie over the top of them. I have found that this helps tremendously with keeping them fresh. When I used to get them at the grocery store in that plastic bag, they would go bad so quickly. I usually go through my fridge quite often because I hate having things go to waste. But with the holidays, some things just didn't get used, so there's no saving them. However, I still enjoy the feeling of getting rid of things taking up space that will never be used.
drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby,
A great way to get your kitchen sink looking brand new is pour about a half a cup of baking soda and add a few drops of lemon essential oil. Mix it all up, sprinkle it all in your sink, scrub it down, rinse it, and your sink is gonna look so clean.
even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe